Before writing existed, the human voice was a book. History, law, and identity were passed through spoken words. The Oromo people preserve wisdom through speech. Elders pass stories to children, like treasures stored in the heart. There were no written books, yet history did not disappear. Culture, moral law, and justice lived through memory. Geerarsa is not just expression, it is strength, resistance, and pride of the Oromo people. Through it, truth is spoken and fear is broken. Sirba is more than joy. It is a bond between generations. Children, youth, and elders dance as one. Gadar law was not written on paper. It lived in people's minds. Decisions were spoken. Justice remembered. Elders passed their voices to the next generation. For one reason only, so identity never fades. As long as stories are told, a people live. In the next episode, we explore songs that carry history. Before the first pen touched parchment, before ink met paper, the human voice was the only book we knew. For the Oromo people, history was not a dusty shelf of records. It was a living thing, a breath passed from one chest to another. Law, identity, and the very soul of a nation were woven into spoken words. In those days, there were no written books. Yet, history did not disappear. It was carved into memory. It was stored in the heart. Consider Geerarsa.
Badi badi nan jedhe jolli shakangat badi badi nan jedhare me kaye kajelure akukuti makani jolli shakangat akukuti makani lagati galti korgen.
It is more than just expression or a song of the hunt. It is the sound of resistance. It is the weight of pride. Through Geerarsa, truth is spoken, and the spine of fear is broken. Then there is Sirba. While the world might see a dance, the Oromo see a bridge. It is a bond where the feet of the child and the elder strike the earth in unison. It is joy as a form of survival. How does a nation govern without a single written page? Look to the Gadar. This law was not held in a library. It lived in the collective mind of the people. Decisions were spoken. Justice was remembered. The moral compass of a civilization was kept north by the power of the shared word. Why do the elders give their voices away? Why do they pour their treasures into the hearts of the children? For one reason only, so that identity never fades. As long as the story is told, the people live. As long as the voice carries, the ancestors remain standing. The voice is the bridge. The memory is the map. In our next episode, we dive deeper into the melodies of the past. We explore the specific songs that carry history, where every note is a chapter and every rhythm is a heartbeat.